Okay, so I am trying to organize my beauty room because it is a mess. Just unpacked a bunch of stuff from storage, or I'm unpacking stuff from storage, and this is the hot mess that I'm looking at. Oh boy. This is my filming area, my lighting, my new desktop that I just bought, my monitor, my makeup area is a mess. Yep, and that's what I'm looking at. I don't know where to put any of this stuff. Yep, there's my doggy, there's my kitty hashtag. Here's what you look at when you see my videos, is this backdrop right now. But it's all gonna change soon. I need to find places for all this stuff right here. I don't think I want shoes in the backdrop. I'd rather have pretty white blingy accessories and stuff back there. But yeah, I don't know where to put my watches now. This will probably pretty much stay the same, except I'll move the watches. Let me see, look at all those handbags I'm trying to find places for. So I need to move this stuff right there so I can put the handbags there. These are the handbags I have right now that I've unpacked. There's my coaches. There's one coach there, and the yellow, pink, green, and red bag are from a thrift store. Actually, not the yellow one. The yellow one is from Shoe Dazzle. This junk I need to do something with. Eek! There's the handbag I'm using now. There's some boots. There's some boots there. There's some shoes. More shoes. So yeah, this is what I'm looking at, and this is the mess I'm looking at on the floor. And to top it off, there's more shoes there, and there's 3 boxes of shoes from Payless that I need to unpack. And this is the table I usually do my crocheting video on. But yeah, this is what I'm doing today. I'm trying to organize my beauty room. Yeah, I think Miss Spring, my mannequin, is gonna have to get packed up and moved because you're taking up a lot of space, girl. I'm thinking I'm gonna put my jewelry box right there and move her into the front room so she can greet all my guests as they get here. My family and friends. Right now, as you see, she's a good coat hanger. But since I'm not crocheting that much right now, I thought I would move her. I usually use her to model my crochet clothing, but yeah. Alright, I'm gonna finish getting organized because this is a hot mess. I'll give you a tour as soon as I am done organizing and beautifying my room a little bit more. Alrighty guys, I love you.